Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have the Garmin Enduro 3 and apparently on the wrist turn, it's not waking up. Wake up, little guy. It's supposed to, and if we look at the settings here, we're gonna tap it and wake it up. See, it's nice and bright. I shouldn't have to do that, especially if I go hold the middle button down, swipe down again to unlock, even though it was unlocked. And then if I go here to watch settings, and then if I click on display and brightness, it's at 100%. Usually 50 is ideal. It'll give you a few more days. Backlight on, right? On alert. Backlight on gesture. And the gesture is supposed to be when it does this. Apparently it's not working. When that happens, it's good for business because then we can say welcome back to everything that glitches. Basically what you want to do is press this button right here. And then we're going to power off the watch, which is right here. Power off. And just hold it down. Just press OK. It'll power off, and hopefully on the reboot, hopefully the gesture feature will be back again. Everything else works fine. Sometimes while hiking, up is down and left is, everything's in reverse. But in this particular case, this part's not working. So let's turn it on. Just press this button right there. We'll turn it on, and we should see something that looks similar to the Squid Game. Just hold this button right there. See, looks like, except it's blue, not red. Wait for it to turn on, and wait for it. Hopefully, I should be able to put it on my wrist now, right? Now the reboot process works. Why this happens, I don't know. It usually has trouble waking up after a long night of monitoring me. Maybe I have restless night syndrome, a nightmare or something. And now it's just trying to get out of it. I like this part though, the Enduro 3. A lot of time on the graphics, but no time on the experience. All right, so knowing that moving forward, we'll just put it to sleep and hopefully, see, kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. We gotta wake it up after it was sleeping, but until Garmin fixes it. See, look, now it's working. Wait for it to go to sleep. 3, 2, 1, nighty night. No, maybe because I'm facing it. Oh, there we go, it's off. Nighty night. Anyway, that's it. That's it for this week's tip/trick/troubleshooting. Hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.